We're here live at Baby Beach in Lahaina. It's incredibly calm waters here. It's perfect for babies, and there are also a lot of other parents with children here. Beautiful views, beautiful scenery, beautiful trees. And here's also the other thing that's awesome for parents. It's like great snorkeling here. The water is like a foot deep for like 100 yards out. It's totally calm, completely calm.
We are getting lunch to go from Leoda's Kitchen and Pie Shop. You'll see it on the main road. There is a farm stand to the left of it. We've got some shaved ice options, but this restaurant is so good. A number of delicious pies, vegetarian options, sandwiches, salads. It's a little bit off the beaten path, so it's not near all the resorty, touristy places, but they definitely deliver on the food.
Lunch on the beach, anyone? We got Leoda's place. Big bite, show me the inside. Need deep inside.
Look at this. Avocado sandwich.
Try them?
Give me ahi sandwich.
I've already had it too. It's supposed to be
Oh my god, it's amazing.
right?
Oh my god.
Like the sweet, salty.
Your viewers need to get this.
Yeah, let me see. Here, let me see.
Oh my god, this is like
Yeah.
this is the star.
They also do pies. Pies.
Alright, you're about to receive the link to a very special gift, one in particular that all the employees receive upon their first day of arriving here. These are nuts that I hold in my hand that are strung together that comes from our state tree of Hawaii. Where may you ask is that tree? Right here. It grows large like your maple and your walnut tree. Hawaiians would go to that tree on a daily basis to collect up the pods that fell to the ground. Is inside of them were these kukui nuts. Inside of them, if you crack them open, was an oily kernel that was used for a source of light, hence the word kukui or light in Hawaii. That kukui nut was made into candles, torches, and lanterns. But to make the lei was a long process, very tedious, especially when you don't have a drill. You wouldn't want to give it away because you treat it as treasure, not as a souvenir. And the thought process behind that is someday that you return, you bring this beautiful lei back to the Halihokiba. That because you've been enlightened to about the significance of our lei. Yeah, so that you know now to treat it with due respect and not as a souvenir, but yet as a warm treasure of love.
Baby. As we go along.
Come on, you guys give to one another. Beautiful. Let me give her.
There's gonna be a special one for you.
We're at the Hyatt Hotel. We are not staying there, but these are the Oriental Gardens where they have swans and flamingos. We just saw penguins up top. They do daily feedings at 9:30. We're Naan Challah. Let's adventure out into the world. Please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification button for new videos every week.